Hello guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm showing you how to draw a swan. It's easy to draw and it looks wonderful too. So, without further talking, let's get started. At first, I'm sketching the swan. You can also draw with me right now. After sketching, I'm going to outline my sketch and also erase the pencil marks. It's time for coloring. I'm using shades of grey a little amount and filling the rest area with white oil pastel color. Now, I'm using orange to color the beak. The beak of swan is usually orange. Now, I'm just mixing some blue shades together to color the water around the swan. My coloring is almost finished. Now, I'm just using a marker to outline the whole drawing and to give some finishing touches. Painting is finished. It looks very beautiful. I love the ending result. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next videos. Bye bye.